The thing I like about the rubber mulch is that it doesn't shrink. Alright, so we're starting this morning on this bank here. We're going to actually remove this ground cover. And we have two sides of the bank, but we're just going to do it. There's this front side over here. We'll probably do on this side is just fill in some of the bare spots. And then this side right here, we're going to take it all out. So it's not going to be all, dense. It's going to be individual plants and some shredded tire covering for the ground in between. And we're also going to modify this irrigation. So it's not longer sprays, but it'll be a drip system. So we're going to be clearing this out right now. All right, so what I'm going to do right now is start plugging up some of these risers that are out, which we're not going to use these sprinklers. They were spraying the whole bank area, and we're not going to do that anymore. We're going to use a drip, so it goes in individual plants. But I wanted to show you something here. This riser, we're going to take them out and put a plug in there. Put in this plug that has, you look at that plug here, see that? Okay. It has like an opening in the middle on the top. And what that allows you to do is, so I'm going to put it in right here with my hand manually. We get this extractor. It goes right in the middle of that, and you can just turn it with the extractor. Okay, so I'm done. All right, so we got this bank cleared out. Here I got the drip line, main line, and then I'll tap into that line to go to the individual plants. Got my regulator installed here in this box for the drip. Go. So that's all there. Good. We'll start putting some plants in. All right, so I got the layout, and the owners approved it. So we got hibiscus up there, the mango on the top. I'm gonna put them in after. All right, so I got all these plants in here. Ready. All right, so we got this load here. It's like 2 pallets and some here on the side, rubber mulch. And see if that takes care of this bank over here. Get that going here. Alright, so we're getting close to getting done here. So what I did is I started on the bottom first. Start on the bottom. You see how I'm gonna start down, and then I work myself from that end down this way. And I'm almost done with it. So I did the bottom first, bottom half, and then I did the rest on the top here. And so the thing I like about the rubber mulch, and they come in different colors, black, red, and it's dark brown, is that it doesn't shrink, which makes a big difference as far as how thick you want to lay it. In this case, you can lay it, 1.5 inches, and then you're good, because it's not going to shrink. With the regular wood shavings, wood bark, you have to calculate that in, that it's gonna shrink. So you want to add a little more than just 1.5 inches. You probably made out 2.5, somewhere around there. But it's looking good. And then after I get all this laid out, then I'm gonna go along and then scissors off the weed block that's sticking out. All right, I got it all done here. It's all clean and Got all of the extra weed block, and it's looking good. Yeah.